There was a back in the time like 10 years back, if you go, right? How
Mm-hmm.
actually our application got deployed? Can you tell me? 10
10
years,
years
15
ago.
years back?
Okay.
No idea.
No, no idea.
Okay. Earlier, the structure for the deployment or anything was
I
like,
mean, it's like yeah. I mean, like we have some on-prem cluster, and then we have platform, multiple platform, and then I guess we have to manage multiple infrastructure and multiple platform to develop application. I guess.
yeah, like it was kind of, you can say, first we will be having a traditional deployment part where actually we will be having
Mm-hmm.
like this was our server which was hosted over data center on this hardware.
Nanda, yeah, you're sharing something. I am not able to like. Your screen is stuck.
I'm just writing on whiteboard.
No, no, your screen is stuck, so I won't able to see your writing.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. I just
Push,
got this message.
can you check again? Like Pushpender, it is also for you.
For that, you need to just zoom out your 100%. Right now, your zoom is 100%. Just reduce to the 50%.
What
Okay,
is
okay,
this
wait.
now? It is fine.
Not for you, for Danish. He needs to reduce the zoom in feature in the screen.
Okay, okay.
Right now,
I
the
guess it's
current
my.
zoom in is 100%, reduced to the 50%. Then you
Okay,
will
okay,
see the whole page.
okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Yes. Or that means you can just scroll up the page basically, maybe.
Okay. I already scroll it. It's not visible.
No, no. Now it's visible. Yeah, now it's visible.
Okay. So now you able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
So on this one, like what was happening in traditional deployment way,
Mm-hmm.
like we will be having a server, like means a hardware, correct?
Mm-hmm.
On top of it, we will be having operating system, right? OS,
Yeah. Right.
correct? And then top of
Yeah.
it, we were actually installing multiple apps, right?
Yeah.
But whatever the issue actually happened was that it used consume a lot of resource and there was dependency issue as well. We don't know like
Mm-hmm.
if some package, the dependent package of this will also used by this application, right? There was no isolation environment, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
So from this, we move towards virtual machine era, correct?
Yeah. Correct.
In that way, I can say we started using like that
Yeah.
top of like obviously hardware was there, the OS was there, and top of OS we install the hypervisor, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Dharmendra, actually, I get some sort of issue with my mobile, so I'm joining with my laptop. Just give
Oh,
me a
you are
minute.
joining through phone.
Yeah, now yeah.
Is the screen is fine for you, Pushpenda? It is showing fine, whatever
Yeah,
I'm
No,
writing.
it's my
it's
issue,
the
so
same
I just
basically.
yeah.
I need to zoom in, zoom out basically.
Oh, okay. Should I zoom out as well? Like zoom, remove the zoom little bit? You want me to do that? Okay. Hello, am I audible?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Now I can see the clear picture. Yeah, it was actually my mobile issue. Sorry for that.
Yeah. Always try to join through laptop. Don't
Yeah,
use
yeah,
phone.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what I was saying, from the traditional deployment, we move to the virtual machine era, right? And in this, you can see like we were having hardware on top of it. We will be having operating system, correct? On top of OS, what we did, we make few more layer, correct? The first layer which we added was like hypervisor. Okay, clear? And the top of hypervisor, we again install the what we have installed. Anything? Any idea? Any guesses?
Hypervisor. Hypervisor.
We install the virtual machine. Hypervisor in the sense it was
Okay.
like basically a tools or software you can say to enable the virtual machine to run. Okay.
Okay.
Then we install the virtual machine like VMware, VirtualBox, right? And then what we did
Yeah.
again, we did like we install again the operating system. And then top of it, we create install the apps, right?
Yes. Right.
But do you think this was the solving issue for this? No, right? Why? Because
Uh,
we can
because
we
yeah,
can
yeah.
create multiple virtual machine. We can set up create multiple server, you can say. Okay, we can install multiple apps, but there was still crunch of resources. Okay, there was still, I can say, like dependency issue. There was no isolation environment. Correct?
Yes.
No fault tolerance. No high ability. Correct? Right? So these are the issues we face in this. Now the things was we can it things would become in our mind is okay. Like we have installed this VKMs to this virtual machine as well. But this was not solving our problem. Then there was cloud also came up, correct? Then comes microservice, right? It is visible to you guys?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. You understand till so far, right? Hello? Hello? Danish, you there? Should I continue, Danish?
Yeah, continue.
Okay. Okay, then we come to the microservice architecture. There was cloud as well, right? But cloud didn't solve the issue. The issue for the dependency of application. Even cloud, we can create we have to create multiple servers and all, right? That was there was it actually high budget cost and also lot of resources we have to use, correct? But in this one, now this is our which architecture you can say? Hello?
Maybe cloud architecture.
No, this is our container.
Okay, container.
Okay. So on this top of it, like we have set up hardware, we have set up operating system, then we will go for what? We will go for container runtime.
Okay.
Okay, so at the place of virtual machine or virtualization, Hyper-V, we use just container runtime. And what are these? So container runtime are Docker,
Okay.
there was container D, there is a Rocket, okay, and there is another one, CRI. There are others as well. Okay, container D, Rocket, CRI, others as well. So now on top of it, okay, what we actually get? We got a isolation environment. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
That there will be container, There will be on top of it container we are having the dependency packages. Got it? Like
Mm-hmm.
all the apps related bin or library. Okay. So these are getting installed in a isolation environment. So it solve our issues. For the there was no like resource crunch, there was no too much CPU utilization or I can say memory utilization. Even we don't have to share the CPU and memory. It is having own file system. Okay. It is actually providing a separate isolated environment. Clear? There is no dependency of the packages, everything.